Hey, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Catherine.
She's my daughter.
She's my mom.
And today we're going to share with you something about a centrifugal nozzle. Lots of people think the drone is hard to understand, but actually once you get to know more and it feels like this is something that you just need to explore, it's not hard to understand, even a kid. So she thinks her English is better than me. So today I'm going to let her to share with us what's the centrifugal nozzle difference and how you should choose the right models and the right nozzles for yourself. Okay, I will hand this over to her.
What do you think is one of the most important parts of a spraying drone? You might already know the answer. It's the nozzle. Why? Because the nozzle decides how much effect you get from every single drop. The goal is simple. With the least input, you want the maximum result. Today, let's talk about the centrifugal atomization nozzle. This design goes back to the early 20th century, first used in industry and farming. The idea is simple. Spin the liquid at high speed and turn it into fine droplets. But the early versions had big problems. At low pressure, the spray was uneven and often dripping, and if the water or products wasn't clean, they clogged very easily. That's why DJI didn't use the old design. Instead, after years of R&D, DJI created the dual centrifugal atomizing nozzle, now used on the T-40, T-50, and T-100 drones. It has an improved impeller pump, a magnetic valve, and anti-clogging technology. The result, more uniform spraying, higher efficiency, and the ability to start or stop in milliseconds without dripping. In the next video, we'll talk about drone-human-machine interaction and why it matters. Stay tuned. See you next time.